She laughs like it's raining in summer's heat, like puddles are poems beneath her feet. She doesn't walk, she floats through pain, turns it into music, dances through rain. I didn't know joy could be loud till she spun her sadness into clouds. She's chaos stitched into calm delight. She dreams with her eyes wide open at night, and somehow she sees me in the blur. They last in the echo of her rain, so glad. She's the rain in her life.